Okay, I think it's time to begin our session today. First of all, good evening to you all. This is Gaston Ravin Dias. I'm a professional biomedical engineer from Healthcare Engineering Private Limited. And I believe all of you can listen to me clearly. And if you have any comments or any notifications, or if you would like to let me know anything, please feel free to chat me using your chat box or your descriptions box, whatever you have in your interface, right? Basically, today we would like to meet you all because I'm from at the moment I'm from Sri Lanka, and I'm meeting you during the unofficial times. That means today in Sri Lanka the time is 8 p.m. It's almost night, and I would like to meet you in order to let you know about our new programs and the new launches and the new projects what we are carrying out at the beginning of this new year. First of all, I would like to let you know about our company, Healthcare Engineering Private Limited. So, who we are or who are we is that we are basically we are a consultation company, a medtech consultation company. So, what do we do is we consult or we do provide technical consultations as well as professional consultations to the healthcare professionals. So, what are the consultations we provide, or what type of healthcare professionals we mainly focus? Is we are not mainly focusing on a particular category. We are generally focusing on all types of healthcare professionals. For example, doctors, nurses, healthcare administrators, especially biomedical engineers, biomedical scientists, biomedical technologists. So most of the healthcare professionals, we are focusing on them in order to provide our consultations. What type of consultations do we provide is based on their requests or based on their expectations. Our domain is medtech, medical technology. So what we touch is we bring all the advanced healthcare topics and we put it into the conventional ways or conventional healthcare industry. Okay. Mainly, we do provide consultations for the hospital owners, hospital administrators, and biomedical engineers, biomedical technicians, biomedical scientists on which way they can improve their skills and careers by using the modern technologies such as AI, IoT, machine learning. These are the things what they have to learn in order to upgrade their job or in order to upgrade their career, because in near future most of the industries are engulfing by these modern technologies which I have mentioned just now. Okay, so today I would like to use this opportunity in order to introduce you about our modern technologies and the modern projects what we are initially launching into the industry. I think healthcare engineering is almost in the industry for more than 3 to 5 years, and what we did was we were providing all the internship programs for the biomedical engineers, biomedical science students, and biomedical technicians and biomedical technologists as well. So online internships, offline internships also we were providing, and we provided, and at the moment also we were providing physically as well as online. Okay, so if you are residing in the local country, that means at the moment we are having our headquarters in Colombo, Sri Lanka. So if you are a Sri Lankan and residing inside the Sri Lanka, or if you are able to travel to Sri Lanka, maybe from India or the nearby countries, you may contact us you can use our WhatsApp number, which is also already given in the descriptions box. Also, once we finish this video, you can get our WhatsApp number in the descriptions box so that you can communicate us easily and quickly through the WhatsApp platform. Okay, so if you are interested about biomedical engineering internships or biomedical technologist internship or biomedical science internships, please do feel free to contact us so that we can provide you the latest updates and the way how we are providing the online and offline, especially the physical internships. Right, so these are our old ways of providing internships and trainings for the healthcare professionals so far. And additionally, at the beginning of this new year 2025, we would like to launch a couple of extra sessions for the healthcare community. Because as per the survey we did ever since from the beginning of our company, most of the healthcare professionals and the students who are or also who were our clients, they prefer to develop their skills, such as because they were working in the industry, you know that. So healthcare industry is kind of a unique industry because whenever you are working as a healthcare professional, whether it doesn't matter whether you are a student or whether you are a professional, because you always have to you have to keep yourself learning about the modern applications in the industry in order to boost your career to the next level or in order to upgrade yourself for the higher positions. So what we do is we know that the healthcare industry is also getting connected with the IT sector and the modern techniques such as IoT, AI, machine learning, these sectors are providing a bunch of applications, which is our job in the current practices. For example, in our conventional ways, we need several nurses and healthcare staffs in order to observe a particular patient's vitals. So once in a while, they come and they pay a visit to the particular patient's hospital near. They have to come to the bed of the patient and they have to check their vitals. But by using the applications of AI and wearable technology, wearable devices, they don't need to visit frequently. Once in a while, they have to pay a visit to the patient and they need to just check whether the wearable devices which are being worn by the patient is working properly or whether they are connected properly. Other than that, every job which means collecting the vital signs and sending back to the healthcare professionals for observation can be done easily without manual interferences by the wearable devices such as smart sensors and all, you know that, right? So we are very expert on these areas, so that we came up for a conclusion that we would like to provide some technical skill related courses, which means, so you can see all such courses about in the thumbnails, or if you are very much interested, please drop a text to us through WhatsApp so that you can get to know what are the courses we are providing. In a while, I'll go through each and every courses what we are providing. So what we do is we are almost launching around 10 courses. So courses in the sense, they are certificate courses and diploma courses. It depends from the period. If the course is done for a month, that will be considered as a certificate course. If the course is done for 3 to 6 months, it is going to be considered as a diploma course. It depends again, right? It depends from the weight of the course, and it depends from how long you are taking part and how much effort you are putting into the course in order to learn that, right? So initially, I would like to say that we are launching almost 10 modern courses, which are the combinations with the synchronizations of applications of AI, machine learning, and the modern practices into the healthcare field, right? And secondly, these are going to be very user-friendly courses. We are going to launch multiple WhatsApp groups so that you can join and you can get to know these courses and you can learn these courses at your own pace. We are From our history, you can learn that once you do the Google search about www.healthcareeng.com, or else you can search our company in Healthcare Engineering Private Limited at Google, so that you can find us about our ratings, right? So most of the time, almost we got 5 stars from our clients, and all the ratings are, all the reviews are very friendly with. They are very giving satisfied reviews to us, because we are very friendly with the clients ever since the beginning of the company. So that you don't need to worry about the timing. We are very flexible, whether you are participating from Sri Lanka itself or whether you are participating from an abroad country. So it's not an issue, right? So once what we do is, initially we will let you know what are the courses that we are providing. So currently I'm going to read all the courses about our new projects and the certificate courses what we are launching to you, and I'll give you a small description about the courses, right? And then after this live session, I'll be continuing this live session once in a while. Most probably we are doing these live sessions once in a week, since we are launching the new courses, and we would like to let you know about the new courses. I really appreciate you to join once in a while or frequently, because I'm going to continue these live sessions, most probably once in a week, or maybe once in 4 days, or whatever as per my work schedule allows me. Okay, then what you can do is, as per your interest, you can send us a text about inquiring your interest about a course or about our supports to you, so that we will let you know about the modules what we are going to teach inside a particular course, what are the benefits that you are going to get from the course, and all the certificates, how you are going to certificates, and the recommendation letter after learning the courses, right? So obviously this course is going to be a paid course, because most of our services are some of the services are free, and the rest of the services are payment based. So you need to pay for these particular courses. Again, it depends from the course types and the period of the course. So feel free to let us know, and feel free to drop a text, so that you will get to know, and you will get a clear idea about each and every courses that we are going to provide you from this month, right? So luckily, those who for we are providing some categories for registrations, because this is the initial stage of our new programs, and we are going to give you some amazing discounts as well, those who are registering themselves into these courses, right? So it doesn't matter whether you are a professional or a student, because if you are a student, you know all the modules whatever you are learning from your universities or your colleges or from your schools, right? So those are conventional way of learning a degree, right? Apart from the degree, whenever you jump into the industry, when you come up for the industry needs something different, not from the college or from the university. That doesn't mean you don't need to learn from the university. That's not my point. I'm saying you are learning the conventional, the same thing again and again in the university or the college. But once you come to the industry needs the practical, the realities, right? So how much experience you have, or how much practical knowledge, or how much you have the application knowledge related to the field whatever you are going to take care, or you are going to work in the future. Okay, most probably in near future, most of the healthcare jobs are going to be cut off because of the modern applications and AI. You know that AI is reducing more and more job workloads as well as the job opportunities. We will be discussing about these things as well in our following sessions, or most probably very uniquely we will be talking about these things in our each and every courses. Okay, so I believe that it's time to go through each and every courses that you can understand, right? And if you are a professional, you can also take part in the course. You can take at least a month of certificate course on a particular subject, whatever you are willing to take part. Because the very much important point I would like to let you know is that one of the main advantage of our course is you are going to get to know the practical things, the current update about the industry, what are the things what the current industry needs, and what are the future healthcare looks like, and what are the skills, what are the technical skills especially, right? So here we are not here to teach you English. Here we are not teach you to learn how to do the communication skills. Totally different people. We are just going to add you some values. So those whoever, please get the point clearly, those who are taking part in our course, once they finish the course successfully, whether it's a 1 month certificate course or a long period of 3 months or 6 months short diploma program, it doesn't matter. It's all up to you based on the skills and the times, whatever you put and the effort you put into the course. We promise you that after participating in our course, you will be able to add value to yourself, right? So our main aim is adding value to the people, or whether they are a student or professional, to them technically. So technically you are going to enhance, or you are going to suit an additional value to yourself after learning our modern courses, right? So it's time to go through all the courses. Let me grab my phone in order to go through the courses quickly. Okay, initially we are going to launch a course, AI and machine learning in healthcare. So what we are going to teach you is, so if you are interested about this course, I'm just letting you know the names of the courses, but here the time won't allow me to go each and every modules what we are going to teach you in the courses. It's kind of because the time is limiting me. I'm just going to let you know the topics of the courses what we are going to provide you, right? So if you are interested in such topics in order to learn a certificate program, of course we are going to give you the certificates as well as the recommendation letters in order to enhance your profile. You can update these certificates in your LinkedIn profile. And one more thing, I got an update from our office. Those who ever getting interested on us, please do subscribe our YouTube channel initially, because that's also a kind of support and kind of an encouragement to us to continue to do these sessions continuously. Okay, so please do subscribe and support us whenever you are watching any videos, or whenever you are watching a live session from us. Please do subscribe and share and spread the news about our healthcare engineering platform, especially our YouTube channel, right? So please do provide that kind of support to us. It will be a huge encouragement to us, right? I really appreciate that. So the very first advanced module that we are going to teach you, the certificate course that we are going to provide you, is AI and machine learning in healthcare. Okay, so here we are going to teach you about all the modern applications about AI and machine learning, how they are impacting in healthcare, and what are the things that we need to know about these applications, so that we will be able to upgrade ourselves, we will be able to add a value, we will be able to learn a new skill, and then we can apply for a new job, which is a which may be a modern healthcare applications, or from a modern healthcare perspective, you will be developing a new skill from by learning this course. Okay, and the second one we would like to teach you is medical coding, billing, and documentation. Of course, if you are a biomedical engineer or biomedical science or biomedical technician student or professional, or if you are fed up with doing the field jobs, or if you would like to look, if you would like to do an office-based job, 8 to 5, or a nighttime job, or if you would like to work from home, or some kind of a sophisticated type of job, it is we really recommend to go for medical coding, billing, and documentation, because whenever you are learning about biomedical engineering, most of you believe that you need to go for the hospitals and the companies in order to do your jobs, right? But there are some other fields which most of us do not aware about this, so that we will be able to give you such ideas about these jobs. So first we would like to introduce such fields, for example, medical coding, billing, documentations, and healthcare technology and IT. So these are the modern fields that most of us are not aware of it, right? So we will be teaching you these things initially. Then what we do is we are going to teach you about the technical skills throughout our certificate program, so that you will be able to learn all the in and out of this course, so you will be able to update automatically yourself, right? So in future, if you are looking for a new job related to this field, will be highlighted and the priority will be given to you, because you already completed a certificate course on that particular module, right? And the third one we would like to teach you through our certificate course is healthcare technology and IT. So healthcare technology and IT, it is going to be, we are going to cover about all the applications of IT and the modern technologies, what the healthcare possesses, and how we can use the technologies into the healthcare field. Modern things, right? Not the old things, the modern things, how does it works, and what are the technical skills, and all about the applications, how what type of applications you need to know in order to do the safe practices and all, right? So if you are interested IT as well as healthcare, these fields are going to be give you a bright future. Please give a try about learning our 1 month certificate course at least. Biomedical engineering and digital health, right? So if you are a digital health enthusiast, and if you are basically a biomedical engineer like me, you can also give a try about these courses. So basically what we are going to do is using your biomedical engineering knowledge in order to develop the digital health platform, right? So the modern era of healthcare is based on digital health, right? You know, the digital health, the digital era is almost started, viewers, you know that, right? Because most of the apps whatever we are using in the phone, I'm talking about the healthcare side, right? So you do have most of the applications are digitalized, and even in the modern hospitals, in the developed countries, they are still they are doing the practices for the digital health. Even the medical records are digitalized, and most of the medical records of the patients are combined together, so they can get the access from anywhere else. So these are the modern applications and the concepts and the skills that, of course, if you would like to become a prominent person in this healthcare event or healthcare professionals, you would like to you may like to give a try for these biomedical engineering digital health certificate program, right? It doesn't give you these particular courses, it doesn't expect you to put a much effort, because why, we are going to conduct the classes as per your convenience, right? So most of the time we will be, if you are allowing us to conduct the classes during the weekends, we can do that, or weekdays, after office hours also we can do that, because we are very friendly with the clients. And as per your convenience, we will be scheduling the classes. Our main aim would be letting you know and training you how much knowledge you are gaining out of the programs and all, right? Again, I'm reminding you, these are the certificate courses, or else if you would like to learn the extended version, it is going to be considered as a diploma. So the certificate courses and the diploma courses, whatever we are going to teach you, is going to be an added skill to yourself, right? And then another prominent course that we would like to let you learn is healthcare entrepreneurship and businesses. Right, so this is going to be the business perspective, a certificate course, and we are going to give you more and more ideas and techniques and applications about how you can start up your own business from the healthcare industry, from the perspective of healthcare. If you are a healthcare person, if you are a healthcare student, maybe how you can start up your own businesses, what are the tricks and tips that you have to handle, and you have to keep it in your mind in order to become a successful entrepreneur. It's time to learn this course, okay? And the next one is public health and global health technologies. So this is going to be a vast program. So we are going to teach about the public health, not focusing only on your country. We are going to talk about the global healthcare, and how the applications of modern technologies are impacting, and how we can utilize such applications into these events and practices, right? Digital health technologies, of course, it's another version of digital and healthcare courses. Of course, you can give a try about that if you are interested. Please allow us to explain about that individually once you send a WhatsApp message to us, okay? And another course we would like to teach you is medical tourism management and coordination. Again, medical tourism is a huge industry. Most of us are not aware about that, and it has a vast job opportunities, right? It doesn't have a limited job opportunities. There are more and more opportunities. Even if, as per the contacts, as per the amount of contacts you have, you can develop the business opportunities, right? But you need to understand certain things, which we are going to teach you throughout these certificate courses. So please give a try about these courses, and don't forget to require don't forget to ask us about the details, so that we will be able to clarify more and more things, okay? And another certificate course and the diploma course, what we are going to teach you is healthcare project management and operations. If you are some kind of administrative person, or if you would like to aim for an administrative person, such as a hospital administrator or healthcare administrator, or some kind of an administrator in a particular group of a healthcare program or healthcare division, please give a try to learn this certificate course. It is not going to give you much load, because if you are a student, you can learn this certificate course. If you are a professional also, you can give a try to learn this certificate course, because it's only a certificate course, but it has huge value. I know that this kind of courses is going on. Once you have this certificate, after learning that, you will be having a more and more clear idea about this particular industry, and you will know how to approach these job opportunities relevant to these opportunities. And once you apply for job opportunities in these particular areas, you will be highlighted, because already you have the certificate courses, you already learned this, and you will be perform well during the interview sessions at these particular industries, because you already have the knowledge, and you already know the practicals, and you already know how these industries works. Okay. And I believe it's time to summarize all our talks today, and continuously we will be talking about that. So I don't need to talk for a very long time. It's not kind of a lecture, right? So this is our first time we are launching, and this is our first time we are giving. Of course, we have provided a bunch of live sessions earlier, but this is a live session. What we are doing it during an unofficial time. We really appreciate those who already joined and who already took the effort to learn about these programs, what we are talking about. So please continue your effort and send a WhatsApp message to us, so that we will be able to give you more and more clarities about the courses what we are learning, right? So the takeaway point is, don't think that you are paying for a particular course. Of course, you need to pay for the courses, right? So it happens everywhere. So the speciality and the difference between our course and the other courses what you can learn from the other platforms is, we are from the industry and we know how the industry works. We are not from a medical device selling company. We are consultant peoples, right? So that means we know all the advanced healthcare applications and technologies, and we feel every day that how much these modern technologies are affecting, are impacting the healthcare professionals as well as the healthcare students. Whether it doesn't matter whether you are a student or professional, because the students nowadays are going to become the professionals day after tomorrow, okay, after the graduations. So we feel that the students, whenever they learn these kind of technical courses from us, they are going to have a great future once they get into the jobs, because they have several certificate courses and they already know the skills and the ideas about the modern technologies, right? But if you are a professional, it is going to be adding a value to yourself, to your career. And it is, once you learn a certificate course, it will open a new path, a new way or new opportunity to you, in order to jump into the another promising industry, which will give you a bright future as well, right? Or if you are in the same industry, and if you are having a thirst for upgrading your knowledge about how much these modern technologies are impacting and what way they are very prominent to us, please give a try to learn about our certificate courses. Okay. So I believe that you have understood at least what's the intention of our live session today. We are launching several certificate courses which are purely based on applications of modern healthcare into the conventional healthcare practices and methods. Okay, so that's what I have gone through all our course modules and course names. So please do subscribe initially to our YouTube channel. Please do follow our WhatsApp groups. So once you type Healthcare Engineering Private Limited or www.healthcareeng.com, you will be able to get to know about us. Once I finish the live sessions, you will be able to get our WhatsApp number, or maybe I can tell you, you can note it down, those who ever in the live session. So it is going to be plus, let me give you our WhatsApp number, right? Right, it is going to be plus 947691111820. I'll repeat again, Our official WhatsApp number is +947691111820. Okay, so please send a WhatsApp message regarding the modern courses, whatever we are trying to teach you. So I really wish you have a successful future in this year with us, because we are trying to help you. We are trying to adding value to yourself, whether you are, it doesn't matter whether you are a student or a professional. Our main intention is supporting the community by adding value for each and every individuals from the perspective of technical skills from the healthcare. Okay, thank you so much for joining, and see you soon with our modern courses, and I'm waiting from our WhatsApp group in order to reply you. Okay, thank you so much, have a good night.